Ever feel like you've been forgotten? That's how Elias felt. Once a celebrated novelist, now his books gathered dust, just like his old typewriter. He'd spend his nights staring at a blank page, the silence of his study deafening. But then it started, a faint rhythmic tapping. Click, clack, click, clack, echoing from the corner where his typewriter sat, shrouded in a linen cloth. The first time, he dismissed it as his tired mind playing tricks. But it happened again the next night and the next. A story was being written, but not by him. Each morning, he'd find a fresh page in the typewriter, detailing a life he'd never lived, a love he'd never known. Was it a ghost? Or was it something else? ... A story desperate to be told, finding a way to write itself. Elias was no longer forgotten. He had become a reader of his own phantom tale. Thanks for listening! If you enjoyed this little story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mysteries. See you next time.